up with a slow motion crew, and we up in our cloudlands when.
Hello my YouTube family, assalamu alaikum. Welcome back to my channel. It's me Sadia. If you're new here, so welcome to my channel, and if you're returning subscriber, so welcome back to my channel. And here I'm going to unboxing my another one more box. But before that, if you like this video, please do share, like and subscribe to my channel, and don't forget to turn on the notifications bell so you don't miss my video. Let's get start this video now. So today's video I have brought with you is another review video, and I bought this tablet from AliExpress, and it's cost about $117. I bought this tablet from AliExpress, and I bought it for my kid. He's 8 years old and he wants to buy a tablet, so here it is. So I thought, why not buy it from AliExpress and find out how it is. So here I'm going to open this keyboard. When I opened this box, there was a packet inside it, which was a very good packed. Like you can see here, there is one more packet, and inside you can see the tablet, it's inside. And now let me show you the keyboard. So the keyboard is much softer. If you press it, the keyboard is much softer, and you like this keyboard. And here you can see here it's all done. So now as you can see here, it also has a screen protector that comes with it. And also this is a golden color tablet, and it is about 10 inches long. And here you can see my kid, he's applying a screen protector on it. Guys, you can see here I have turned it on. And now I am attaching the keyboard string. My kids love this tablet, and I will definitely buy another one. So yeah, that's all guys, and I hope you guys like this video. And if you like this quick tablet review video, so please give me a big thumbs up, like, share and subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to turn on the notifications bell so you don't miss my videos. I'll see you later on my next video. Till then, Allah Hafiz. Please do share, like and subscribe to my channel, and let me know on the comments below, do you like this video or not. Allah Hafiz.